Hey fellas, knock down that wall, or the bulldozer won't get inside.
Sammy, no! Don't tear down anything.
Hold on, fellas. Hi, Susie. You see, Jasmine and I decided that she definitely needs a fountain, you know.
But not at the cost of our walls, Sam.
What choice do I have? Building a fountain is not a piece of cake. I've already calculated everything.
We could trim the scale a bit. Come on.
Oh, all right. Take 10, fellas. Hey, wait for me.
Hi guys, I hope you're in the mood for some building today. As you probably know from our previous videos about crafts from mini bricks, we'll start with making a cement mixture.
Hi there. Sue, you already started without me.
No, mister. It was you who started all that. Now get ready to work hard. There we go.
Here's one quick tip from Sam the Builder. Apply some super glue on the plastic surface so that your construction is sturdy.
That was helpful, Sammy. One more brick, like this, all the way through our plastic base.
Don't forget that it's gonna be a fountain, Susie. That means we need no leaks.
Don't worry, Sammy. Everything is thought through. This goes here. And here is one more little brick. I really find this relaxing. You just put mini bricks one by one, and in the end, you get something awesome.
I know what relaxes me. Hey! Sue, how long do you think it will take us to finish with that fountain?
I don't know, maybe a week or so?
What? I promised Jasmine she'll have it by tonight! Move over, Miss Susan. We have to speed up. This way. All right.
Wow, now you're talking, Sammy. And these openings will help provide the water supply. It's very important, as well as to prevent our fountain from any leakage. A nice portion of super hard hot glue will help us with this.
Be careful and don't glue yourself. Guys, I'm gonna go help Sue. We'll be back in a second.
Okay, our fountain is perfectly dry and we can switch to the creative part.
Wow, Susie, these glass tiles look so yummy.
I guess someone is hungry. We're going to make a beautiful mosaic pattern with these. Be careful with the tweezers, guys, and follow your imagination. One more tile. Boop. Very good.
On the bottom of our fountain.
And we are, Sammy, but we're gonna use these smaller tiles. Now we'll fill up the rest of the space and get a nice fountain bottom.
Hey, this looks like pizza. I guess I am hungry after all. I'm gonna go call for delivery.
In the meantime, guys, we'll be dealing with this wall. And we can finally deal with the grout. We need to take a small amount of it, whoop, and evenly distribute it over the surface, just like this. Try to be careful, guys, and don't leave empty spaces.
Pizza's here! Shiver me chatters. Holy cannoli! How long was I away, Sue? You've managed to finish the fountain! It turned out amazing, by the way.
Thanks, Sammy. But honestly, we are so far from finishing this craft. I could really use your help.
You're right, I'm sorry. Guys, give us a thumbs up and subscribe so that Susie can forgive me.
Now we need to cover the outer side of our fountain with the texture paste.
Shouldn't we deal with the ledge first? Just give me a sec. One more, and ta-da!
You did great, Sammy. Guys, the next step will resemble a cake frosting process so much. You should try to spread the texture paste evenly this way, and you might need to apply several layers of it.
Oh yeah, we should get a nice and neat white fountain wall.
Approximately like this. And we're moving to our next step, which is...
Decoration! Beware and behold, Susan! Sam the painter is here! Well, what do you think, Susie?
Wow, I love this pattern so much. You truly are a great painter, Sammy.
Should we brighten it up then?
You bet. Guys, just check out all this beauty. Finally, the polish, which will protect the paint from moisture.
And give an additional gloss to our fountain. Stay tuned, guys. We'll be right back.
Now it's time to create an artificial water cycle. We will need this elegant piece with tubes and a wire, a motor, a switcher, and batteries.
That reminds me. Guys, we've already made a few cool mini fountains. Check out our channel for those if you want.
That's right, but this time, the process of water supply is going to be slightly different.
Ooh, I really want to see it!
Now we need to add a little motor to our electric circuit. This way. And a battery, of course, so that everything works automatically.
Guys, ask an adult to help you at this stage.
Yes, you should work really carefully with wires. And as a result, you will get this.
Sue, we need to hide it so that everything looks neat.
Go ahead.
Interesting. Right. I'm done. And here's the water. Come on, let's see the fountain in action.
Thanks, but it's not time yet.
What? But it is ready. Don't you want to run it?
It's almost ready, my friend.
Susie, why do we need popcorn buckets? Our fountain already looks like the one I drew.
Don't get me wrong, Sammy, but I thought that Princess Jasmine's fountain should have a more, complicated structure. And these buckets will help us to shape nice, big flower beds.
Okay, that doesn't sound bad at all. But are they gonna be from cardboard?
Well, yeah, mostly. Just let me finish with this part. And you'll see everything for yourself.
Oh, I won't just sit around while a Disney princess waits for her fountain. I wanna help. Tell me what to do!
All right. We'll decorate them, but first, let's use some craft magic. Voila! We covered our flower beds with the texture paste, and now we'll work on their relief. A sponge will come in handy, like this. Oop, oop, oop. Let's add some gold for even more beauty.
Ooh, this sounds awesome! I approve!
And after all our efforts, we'll get this. Doesn't it look awesome, guys? Give us a thumbs up if you agree.
Wow, Susie! This way the fountain does look better than in my initial sketch!
Thanks, Sammy. Will you join me in the gardening process?
Actually, I need to do one more thing. I'll be back as soon as I finish.
Huh, but you guys will stay with me, right? Let's get it done.
Susie, I've got a surprise. Could you look away?
Oh, okay.
You can look!
Wow! Shiver me cheddar, Sammy! That's more than awesome! Would you look at this, guys? Ah!
They will, Susie. They totally will. As an experienced builder, I must say this is a real masterpiece.
Thanks for that high appreciation, but let's see if Princess Jasmine will like it.
Ooh, I think she loves it!
I think so too, but it looks like I forgot something.
Like running water?
Oh, that's right! Thanks, Sammy. Cool! Guys, if you decide to repeat this craft at home, remember that you can choose any colors and decorate it any way you want.
Isn't it just the best craft? Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft ideas.
And don't forget to hit the bell button to stay alerted. Bye-bye!